Yo, 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 Logan in the house. Got a 96 Magnum 425. Oil tank was completely full of gassy oil. Let me show ya. It's pretty runny, pretty gassy. Likely what happened here is carburetor inlet needle and seat was leaking and all the gas went into the engine. And oh my gosh, do we have a mess. The oil was overflowing over the tank, boys. So what we're gonna do is drain the oil, put some new good stuff in, probably some synthetic 540, and then on top of that, go through the carburetor. We should have her all wrapped up, good to go at the end of the day. Okay, so got the carburetor apart, and see if we can get a good visual here. So that's the inlet needle there, and you can see it wiggles up and down like that. It's all supposed to be in a nice straight slot, straight hole. I'll take it apart a little bit further and show you, but yeah, it's completely wobbled out. I'm sure it doesn't seal. Okay, so we got the floats off there. Now you can take a peek and you can really see, look how square it is in there. It's all wobbled out. Looks kind of like my old girlfriend in there, all wobbled out, but probably have to buy a new kit, put her in there and then button her all up. We should be good to go, hit the road.